Hey everyone, my name is Sam Dunklin and I'm a graduate assistant at Student Health Promotion at Georgia State University. And I know, like everyone else, we all have our holiday traditions and things that we like to do. However, for this video, I actually am going to show you how to make your own Christmas puzzle with just whatever you have lying around the house, i.e. a bunch of Christmas cards. So, let's get started. Now for this project, all you're going to need is going to be a card, a pen, and a pair of scissors. So first things first, we're going to cut the back off of the card. Alright. So now that we have the card cut off the back, we're going to flip the card over and use our pen to mark however we want to cut it. Now that that is done, we're actually just gonna cut the card along the lines. So now that all the pieces are done, we can go ahead and flip them over. So now that the pieces are all cut up and flipped over, we can go ahead and put together our puzzle. And just like that, you've done your puzzle. So on behalf of Student Health Promotion and myself, I'd like to wish you a happy end to the semester and to have a very Merry Christmas.